Yeah, welcome to Tap's Farm. This morning we are so happy to be with you as we make our breakfast. We want to make the donuts, the mandazi. It is something that I usually like at the farm because we don't need to buy things outside when you can make your own things at home. So, to make the mandazi or the donuts, we use our wheat flour. I usually like using this wheat flour. Then I add in some sugar. I label my bucket, sugar. This is the farm life. So I also use this chopper mandazi. They never change their logo. They never change their branding forever, 100 years plus. So I use salt. I use Blue Band and some oil and some milk. You are invited for our breakfast. You don't need to add any water here because the milk, the eggs, they just work by themselves. You know, at our farm we hustle, but we never want to go the market for many things. We do our own things around. Whatever we can afford, we get it. What we can't afford, we go to the market. Support each other. It's better to use this because it makes good shapes for the donuts. Instead of using a knife to cut, this one makes good shape. Africa, it was always patriarchal, you cannot cook, but today things have changed and Africa demand cooking. Yeah, let's inspire our children, inspire them, build the youth for the future. This is biogas. I use pig dung to make biogas. So every morning I just come, make my quick breakfast. So the gas is clear. It's clear. So now let me put my oil. And we are ready for the donuts. That's enough oil for I think the oil is ready now. You can see it is bubbling. Let me put in my one donut. I will be putting two. Yeah, wow. Just yummy. So guys, don't mind the size of our kitchen. The kitchen is so small. It is a farmhouse. So it gives us what we need. You never struggle to get what you can't afford. So this is what we have. It works for us. about to be ready. Just turn them once. Turn the donuts only once. Then you remove them. So finally we are done with our mandas, the donuts. So next is matching it. I can test the one and see how it will be missing, huh? It's a good one. I love this. So after making the mandazi, let me also prepare at least some porridge for my breakfast. It works out. So I use milk to mix it instead of water. Then I will add in hot water later. So let me add this one into the milk. You just make what is enough for you. Then at this level, when it is like this, I can add in hot water. Oh, this is milk. Want to eat like farmers. Eat like farmers, so no need of stressing yourself with unnutritious foods. You need to live longer, organically. So my water is ready. I will simply add in hot water, then I boil a little so that it gets very ready. Keep stirring, it changes the color. Now I can put on the fire. There we go. It is almost ready. It takes about, once the water is hot, it takes about 4 to 3 minutes. So you don't say I cannot go with the break. I can't go without taking breakfast. It is just a short time thing. We go. Our porridge is now ready. It's ready. You can see it's not sticking on the mingling stick. That means it is ready. And the color has changed from white to brown. If you remember how we started, it was white in the color. Now it's brown. It is a mixture of millet, soya bean, sorghum, groundnuts. So our porridge is a booster porridge. You don't need to work very hard in the farm. We use a lot of energy, so we should maintain our energy and otherwise we look malnourished. Now I want to prepare an egg for our breakfast. You know, at the farm, you shouldn't eat like somebody who's in the town or maybe anywhere else. For us, we eat like farmers. Eat on what you have. The Bible says, man eateth where he worketh. Let me eat my eggs. So we start. We put in an onion and a tomato. That is always my best dish of an egg. So we want to fry this egg with a good onion. First cut it. I'm not very much into cooking. My mom is a farmer. Everybody has their own style of making an egg. So, but for me, this is my style. Time to crush the eggs. I don't know, some little oil. Don't never use much oil in your life because oil is not good for your health. So just use a little. Then you add onion. That is clear. Some can't tell the difference, but the eggs from the look, they look yellow. The yolk is yellow. So from our farm, we produce yellow eggs. Those who know the eggs can tell the difference. An African man cooking. I forgot salt, my dear. Should have started with this salt in the beginning, but let me add in a little on top, then at the bottom. The mouth will depreciate, but the stomach will appreciate. Changing it like that. Don't try this at home. You have to mix the salt from the beginning. So this one is done by the men only who try it is the way out. It's ready. The egg is ready. If you doubt, come and taste. Hello guys, after making my breakfast, after finishing the cooking, now it's time for serving. My family is outside waiting to eat. Their dad has cooked. They must be waiting to see the egg, the mandas or the donut, and then the porridge. Let me start by serving myself.